Hi, this is David from SoftPlanet. I'm talking about 3CXPhone, a free VoIP phone available for Windows, iOS, and Android. The app is installed in the usual way. Simply click on the download button on SoftPlanet, and you won't have to wait very long for it to finish copying files to your hard drive. Then follow the instruction wizard prompts from the file in your download folder. Uninstalling is pretty standard. Follow your device's usual uninstall procedure, and it is generally removed without any serious issues. If you're looking for a way to make free calls over the internet with an app that is capable of reaching landline and mobile phones, 3CXPhone might just be the VoIP phone program that you need. The thing that differentiates this program from the rest of its kind is the awesome look, because the main screen of the program looks just like a smartphone. If you like the idea of using a program that is functional and stylish, then you can download it and use it for free. You will not find any requirements for payment unless that is required from the SIP server that you use. Since 3CXPhone looks like a smartphone, it is only natural for it to offer its functions like one. For example, if you want to dial a phone number, you can use the buttons that resemble similar functions on any cell phone that you've encountered. It's the same for the additional options, which are like the menus used in pretty much all smartphones. You can record the call that you're doing at the moment, or you can view your address book. The app shows your missed calls from your friends, as well as the answered ones. You can also view all dialed numbers. When you work with 3CXPhone, it behaves exactly like a smartphone, just one that is on the main window of your operating system. With a click on the only button, you can switch between the two modes, one for dialing numbers and the other for additional menus. These two modes are usually used with the phone's touchscreen, but of course here you can't use your monitor as a touchscreen unless it has that as a feature. The additional options that are open from the second menu are Preferences, Accounts, Calls, About, Debug, Exit, and Help. Each one of them also looks like a button that you can use with your smartphone. From Preferences, you can adjust your sound devices or your video. There you also have the option to adjust the behavior of the app, or you can switch the main language. If you want to use another language than English, you can download updates that will let you use the app in Chinese, Dutch, French, German, Greek, Hebrew, Italian, Russian, and Spanish, and so forth. 3CXPhone is not linked to any SIP server, which means that you can select whatever service you want to use, but at the same time this means that you will have to set the program yourself. To do this, you must have an account on a VoIP provider. Once you've created such an account, then you have to go to Account Settings in the program, and there you should input the name of your VoIP provider and also give your caller ID. The next things that you have to type are your credentials for connecting to your SIP account, your extensions, ID, and password. Last but not least, you should specify your location because there is a difference if you are in your office or out of it. 3CXPhone is notable for its interface graphics, but also for the configurable options, which let you adjust the app in so many ways. Another good thing that can be said about the app is that it is totally free, so you will be able to use it without any limitations. So if you need to make phone calls to mobile or landline numbers, this app will do the job for you once you configure it, and assuming you have a provider to use it with. Assuming so, you might want to give it a whirl. We think you'll really like it. Check out the full review on softplanet.com as always, and download it if you so desire by clicking on the link in the description below and following the instructions on the SoftPlanet page. Thank you.